Hey guys, Nicole with your Insurance Minute. Got my trusty companion here with me again. So today I want to talk about dwelling coverage and how carriers establish their replacement costs. And what this covers is your actual home and the structure, any attached structures, and also any detached structures. Most carriers are going to use a formula to estimate your replacement cost value by taking the total square footage of your home and multiplying it by the average cost per square foot to build a home these days. And in Arizona right now, it's roughly about $150 per square foot. So that's what they're going to use to calculate the value to rebuild your home in the event of a total loss. The other thing to keep in mind is if you do have upgraded floors, cabinets, granite countertops, things of that nature, you want to make sure you tell your agent and they include those additions and those upgrades to the total value of the home, because if something did happen, you want to make sure that it's going to get built back to what the original value of it was. So just keep open, honest communication with your agent and let them know, so that way if anything did happen to your house, it would be fully protected. So keep that in mind, and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.